Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I style my curtain bangs. Let's get started. Firstly, I like to section off my hair. I've already prepped my bangs by wetting them so I can go straight in with the blow dryer. I like to use a round brush like this. I start by drying the roots. And then I blow dry from side to side. And I like to blow dry from underneath as well. Now that the bangs are dry, I like to perfect each side. I like to pull the hair in the direction I want it to lay. Now I blow dry the middle to bring the sides closer together. And then I work with the hair until it's sitting where I want it. Lastly, I add a medium hold hairspray. And there you have it, a super simple way to make styling your curtain bangs a little easier. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.